Hello, and welcome back to English for Beginners. My name is Mark, and I'm very happy you are here. In the last episode, you learned how to start English without fear. Today, we continue, step by step. Today's topic is the English alphabet and basic sounds. Some English sounds are difficult, especially for new learners. If English feels strange, that is normal. If your mouth feels uncomfortable, that is okay. You are learning something new. Let's begin. English has sounds that do not exist in some languages. Some letters look easy, but the sound is different. Many learners struggle with R and L, B and V, and TH. You are not alone. Every English learner practices these sounds. Today, we listen slowly. We repeat slowly. No pressure. Let's start with the phrase of the day. Thank you. Listen again. Thank you. Thank you means I feel happy because you helped me. For example, thank you for listening. Thank you very much. Now, repeat after me. Thank you. Thank you very much. Good. R and L. In some languages, these sounds are similar. In English, they are different. Listen first. R. Right. L. Light. Now repeat. Right. Light. Again. Right. Light. Good. Here is a simple tip. For R, the tongue does not touch your teeth. For L, the tongue touches your teeth. Next, B and V. The V sound is new for many learners. Listen. B. Ball. V. Van. Repeat after me. Ball. Van. Again. Ball. Van. Good. Now here's a tip. B uses your lips. V uses your top teeth and bottom lip. Now, the TH sound. Put your tongue between your teeth and listen. Think. 3. Now, repeat after me. Think. 3. It feels strange. That is okay. Let's practice together. Listen, then repeat. Right. light, ball, van. Thank you. One more time. Right, light, ball, van. Thank you. Excellent job. So here's today's beginner tip. Repeat often. Short practice every day is better than long study one time. Listen again tomorrow. Listen again next week. Your ears learn first. Your mouth follows. Now say this sentence out loud. I am improving. One more time. I am improving. Yes, yes, you are. Today, you practiced difficult English sounds. That is real learning. Listen again if you want. Practice a little every day. And if you want, visit me, Mark, at mksenglish.com. Thank you for listening, and see you next time.